Hello, I'm Rafaela from Recognition Robotics, the visual robotic guidance company, and I'd like to introduce our newest product, NebulaRecognition. NebulaRecognition has been designed from the ground up and is ready for random or structured bin picking with collision avoidance. NebulaRecognition is made up of 3 parts. 1. Nebula, a visual recognition engine that learns apart from a single point cloud without the need for a CAD file. 2. Planner, which communicates with and guides your robot, detects collisions, and selects your robot path. Planner solves your inverse kinematics, or selects the proper kinematic solution queried from your robot. 3. The Unified Robot Protocol, a template of robot code which is the bridge between Nebula and your robot. Nebula is fast and ready to use. Just set up your robot, sensor, and tooling. One snapshot and Nebula learns instantly. No CAD file required and no need for programming. With NebulaRecognition, your project is ready to go.